Do you know that the average millionaire has around 7 streams of income while the average person has only one, which typically comes from a job? Hey everyone, welcome back to How What Why. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that could literally change the way you think about earning and wealth building. If you're looking to achieve financial freedom, you need to understand the different ways people make money and how you can do it too. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing one powerful quote from Warren Buffett that could completely shift your financial mindset. First up is earned income, the one we're all familiar with. This is the money you make from a job or active work, whether that's a salary, hourly wage, or freelance work. But here's the thing, relying solely on earned income limits your wealth building potential. Why? Because you're trading time for money, and time is limited. Next, we have profit income. This is where things get exciting. Profit income is the money you make from selling something for more than it cost you. Whether it's starting an e-commerce business or flipping products on the side, profit income can grow fast. The best part, it's scalable, meaning you can earn more without working more hours. Now that's how you build wealth. Then we have interest income. Your money works for you, whether that's through savings accounts, bonds, or peer-to-peer lending. And here's a pro tip. Compound interest is your best friend. The earlier you start, the bigger your reward down the road. Now, let's talk about dividend income. This is what you earn as a shareholder in companies. With the right investments, your passive income can grow and grow without you having to lift a finger. It's like getting a paycheck just for owning part of a successful business. Rental income, whether from real estate or personal property, is one of the most reliable ways to build passive income. But it's not all hands off. You'll need to manage properties or maintain the vehicles and equipment you rent. With the right investments, however, this can provide steady cash flow and property appreciation over time. Next up, capital gains. This is the profit you make when you sell investments like stocks, real estate, or even a business for more than you paid. Timing is key here, and capital gains can come in big chunks when done right. And finally, we have royalty or licensing income. This is money you earn when others use something you created, whether it's a book, song, patent, or even online content. Once you create something of value, it can generate income for years without much extra effort. So there you have it, the 7 streams of income. Diversifying your income is key to achieving financial freedom and stability. Remember, it's not about building all 7 streams at once. Start with one, and as you grow, add more. Now, here's that Warren Buffett quote I promised you. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That's why it's crucial to build passive income streams. So, which stream are you going to focus on first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss another tip on how to build your wealth and live your best financial life. Share this with someone who needs to diversify their income too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.